with this, I announce open house. Please, if anybody has any question, please unmute and please indicate that you want to ask, or if you want to comment anything, if you want to react to any of these things that were spoken and discussed. See, we are all intellectuals over here. We all have our understanding about the world, and it will be great to hear from you, your sharings, please. Open house, please.
Yeah, can I ask?
Yeah, Dr. Ravindran, most welcome.
Yeah. Congratulations, Larry ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I just want to ask this question. You just disclosed so many books you read. So what is the secret behind this? How do you manage these many books and reading habits and the reading speed?
Sir, what has happened is there are two good, you call it a good habit or bad habit, I don't know. There are two habits that I have developed. One is if I don't read around 10 pages, I cannot sleep. That is one thing, whether I'm traveling or whether I'm sitting at home or I'm somewhere else. So, I feel that if I don't read 10 pages, I cannot go to sleep. That is one good or bad habit I have. Second is when I get up in the morning, the first thing that I do is go and read something. Maybe whatever was left out in the night, I go and reread it or read it furthermore. Otherwise, what happens is I don't feel like eating my breakfast. I don't know. That has become a habit. So I don't know good or bad, but this is how I have picked up, and slowly I have increased the number of pages. First it was 10 pages, 20 pages, then 30 pages. So of course, then good books started coming. Books like yours, books like Vikram Kaitan, like that of Geeta Sai, Geeta Ramachandran. So from 10 pages it went to 50 when I did not know. So I could touch that number. So this is because of these habits that I've got.
Thank you. I am really honored and grateful to have you in my journey. Thank you so much for your support always.
Thank you, sir. Same there. You have also been very supportive, very, very supportive. Thank you, sir.
I request a few more members here. Please bring forward your points of views. We'd like to hear you. We've got 10-15 minutes to wind up. Yeah,
hello,
please.
Sir.
Can I step in something?
Yeah,
please.
Somebody else is saying, or I'm.
Dr. Gaur.
May I step in?
Dr. Gaur.
First of all, I want to thanks Mr. Khetan. Som sir was saying again and again in initial days, since initial days he was saying, तो हमें बहुत था कि विक्रम खेतान सर को देखें, तो वो अभी देखा हमने, and he has launched very well the book. And then coming to Satadal sir, congratulations to you, sir, for such a wonderful book. Really, Vadh is not just the killing a person. Its Vadh is in many ways, as you said. You have a wonderful idea for this book. What I have just seen in your launching video. It's a wonderful one. Sir, regarding दिल लगाने का शौक है जिनको, दिल लगाने का शौक है जिनको, it is written by me only. दिल लगाने का शौक है जिनको, एक राज की बात बता दूं मैं. दिल लगाने का शौक है जिनको, एक राज की बात बता दूं मैं. इस जग में मिले कहीं ना वो ऐसा दिलदार बता दूं मैं. बस मेरा है, जमाने के लोग यूं ही मिलते हैं अपने मतलब से. जमाने में लोग यूं ही मिलते हैं अपने मतलब से. मतलब जो निकल जाता तो किनारे वो चले जाते. अक्सर यही होता है. मतलब जो निकल जाता तो किनारे वो चले जाते. रिश्ते बनते और बिगड़ते यूं ही, रिश्ते बनते और बिगड़ते यूं ही. जिनसे मिलता है दर्द दिल, अंजाम बता दूं मैं. इस जग में मिले कहीं ना वो ऐसा दिलदार बता दूं मैं. यूजुअली यही होता है, बट क्योंकि मेरी लव मैरिज है तो आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट लव आल्सो. सो फिर भी यदि कोई मिल जाता है तुमको, फिर भी यदि कोई मिल जाता है तुमको, अजीज अपना बना के प्यार करने को, तो भी हाय रे किस्मत, तो भी हाय रे किस्मत, जिसके अधीन है वो, चाह कर भी न बन सकता हम साथ, बता दूं मैं, इस जग में मिले कहीं ना वो ऐसा दिलदार, बता दूं मैं। सर हमारी लव मैरिज है, बट वी हमारे जॉब की वजह से वी आर वो अलग अलग शहरों में रहते हैं, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन दिस वन। देन है नेक्स्ट पैरा है, चाह है जिनको पाने की प्रियतम, चाह है जिनको पाने की प्रियतम, तो हरि से अच्छा न मिलेगा कोई, चाह है जिनको पाने की प्रियतम, तो हरि से अच्छा न मिलेगा कोई, वो जो बैठा है तुम्हारे भी अंदर, वो जो बैठा है तुम्हारे भी अंदर, साथ हो सकता है हर पल, बता दूं मैं, इस जग में मिले कहीं ना वो ऐसा दिलदार, बता दूं मैं, दिल लगाने का शौक है जिनको, एक राज की बात बता दूं मैं। लास्ट पैरा है सर, लगाकर दिल को उनसे, लगाकर दिल को उनसे देखो करिश्मा उनका, लगाकर दिल को उनसे देखो करिश्मा उनका, अरे तुम तो क्या करोगे प्रेम जो वो करेगा, अरे तुम तो क्या करोगे प्रेम जो वो करेगा, ना कोई बंधन है उसको, ना कोई बंधन है उसको, ऐसा दिलदार है वो। यहाँ जमाने में तो बहुत सारे बंधन है, हम किसी का हाथ पकड़ के भी थोड़ी देर के लिए नहीं खड़े हो सकते हैं, तो इसलिए लिखा है ना कोई बंधन है उसको, ऐसा दिलदार है वो, और प्यार के साथ जहां से पार ले जाए, बता दूं मैं, इस जग में मिले कहीं ना वो ऐसा दिलदार, बता दूं मैं, दिल लगाने का शौक है जिनको, एक राज की बात बता दूं मैं, दिल लगाने का शौक है उनको, एक राज की बात बता दूं। ये सर दिस इज माय एक्सपीरियंस।
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very well rendered, very well written.
थैंक यू सर, इट्स
Wonderful, wonderful, Dr. Gaur. Wonderful, wonderful.
We had a raise of hand from Kedar Panda and Lalit Undlani. Kedar, are you there? Can you open your video, please? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very much there. Congratulations, Sudhal sir. And thank you, Vikramji, for hosting this. And it's beautiful. Everything is going on so nicely. And, I know sir to a greater extent because he has edited my book. I was going through this book, Vad. And when I was reading that book, I was correlating my life story with that. And, Vad has been written based on, you have so many things hidden within yourself, and you will find a lot of Vads in the graveyard, because people are dying, they are not dying. It is just like it is Vad happening to them, because people are dying without knowing for what they are born. And I have come from a very small village, and my education also happened in a very remote area and all. There was no good quality education over there. And there are so many times in my career, I thought of changing this thing, that thing, and everything. And so many times there was a Vad happened. And somehow, I took the courage and came out of it. It's Surya or something like that. You can relate to that. And somehow this journey happened. I got into good institutions of this country, and I was never an author, but somehow, it just happened, and sir was there. So sir has given all the things, what is that? You can say inspiration, wordings, and everything. The kind of quality he provides is excellent, and at par with the best in the world, I can say. Not in the country, best in the world. He's a fantastic writer and a great editor as well. Another thing about this book, I have a question to sir. How you got this idea of Vad? My question is that.
Before answering, I'd like to say a few words about Kedar Panda. We have been, it is the signal of the universe through which we got connected. By a stray message in Facebook, we got connected and became very good friends. And of course, his idea of this book, his own book, that is behind 15 Scientific Secrets of an Extraordinary Mind. Priti Sharu there, he has made that beautiful cover. And we worked together, and can you believe, in 35 days, we completed 53,000 words. and not once but thrice we had to edit it. 53,000 into 3 times 35 days. Wonderfully crafted and wonderfully put together by Kedar Panda, and we worked together. It was a wonderful journey. I can still feel the journey, and it gives me goosebumps. Waking up 3 o'clock in the morning and writing a chapter and talking to him at around 6:30, going to sleep at around 2 o'clock. It was an exhilarating journey. Thank you, KP, for that. Answering your question, when I came across a few people, say I came across one person who is an excellent engineer. He's not an engineer. Basically, he's a samosa seller. What do you call it? Samosa ko English mein kya bolta pata nahi. Samosa seller hai. But he was talking about, the bridges. Ye bridge mein ye cantilever level jo hai, it has got a side strain. It might collapse and all those things. मैं बोला, my God. Then I asked him about ये सब तुमने किससे सीखा? बोला सर bending moment जो होता है ना. Then he started telling me this. तो मैं बोला यार तुम तो engineer हो यार. You are talking in engineering terms. बोला सर मैं engineer हूँ, but because of family constraints I could not continue with the place where I was working in. I had to come down to my hometown. I did not get a job anywhere. So I'm selling samosas. I'm making some money and guzara ho jata hai. I'm happy about it. That was one. Okay, samosa बेच के वो घर और बना लिया everything, but his actual life was as an engineer. Had he been in engineering, I hope no L&T people are sitting over there. Most of the L&T people would have gone home. I have nothing against L&T, but I can tell about L&T because I have been related to L&T. So don't take it otherwise. But this samosa vendor from Kolkata, he represented the first chapter of the book called Vad. So the idea came from then, and of course there are so many ways, as you rightly said. And life of Kedar Panda, when you read through his life, there are so many phases from where he has come up through uneven terms of life. And hats off to you, how you have managed yourself to come to this level. Thank you, KP. Thank you for being there.
So we
Thank
can
you so
make
much,
a
sir.
sequel
One
to-
chapter of the book, specific hit, probably that do not die before your death.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Maybe you can correlate this with this.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, everything is
But-
correlatable. Everything is correlatable. Absolutely. There's
Good,
no
sir,
question
good.
about it.
So Satadal,
Thank you
you
so
can
much.
write a book, sequel to Life of Pi for Life of Kedar Panda.
Now I want to write Life of Bhai, and everybody is a Bhai, and it will become a competitor of my.
Sir, your next book is Life of Bhai only.
Life of Bhai. Why write on Life of Bhai? वो competition हो जाएगा. मेरे को competition देना नहीं है. And of course, if that is ever filmed, the Anil Kapoor will be Vikram Khaitan. So these are the dreams that I have.
So we have Lalit Hundalani. Lalit wanted to say something. Lalit, please.
So it is a question just out of curiosity, not related to book. Satadal sir, do you have the permission to ask?
Yeah. You always have the permission to ask.
Okay. So अगर अच्छा नहीं लगे तो गुस्सा मत होना. लेकिन अभी out of the blue, I have it in mind, so I thought I should ask you. Now, before I ask question, so looking at you and the symphony of you and Mr. VK, मुझे वो जय वीरू याद आ गए शोले के. So may I request the audience to write in chat box VK plus SL, thank you, because you both have given us a wonderful evening, and it is one of the very interesting and engaging book launches, I must say. So so I would request all to write VK plus SL, thank you. So that's a very good evening. Okay, so while audience is writing, Satadal sir, I have a question. Since you are based out of Calcutta and you are Lahiri also, by any chance you have a connection with the great musician Bappi Lahiri?
Before I answer this question, I must say that previously, 2 years previous to this year, Lalit Hundalani was also in Calcutta. And Mr. Vikram Khaitan ने भी अपना बचपन जो है कलकत्ता में बिताए हैं. So Calcutta is not alien to people in AFH, and we have got some beautiful authors from Calcutta, Lagnath Chatterjee. We have got Devi Prasad and Spandan Ganguly. They are all, great authors from AFH, and Lalit was in Calcutta very recently. So answering your question, Bappi Lahiri, thank God I'm not related to Bappi Lahiri, but of course, Jhumpa Lahiri is a very distant cousin of mine, and she writes, I also write. तो उसका ज़्यादा famous है, मेरा नहीं है, चलता है. But very distant cousin. And thank God Bapi Lahiri is not related to me.
Can I answer this question?
Yeah, please, please, please.
Do you see any gold chain in Mr. Lahiri's neck?
Sir, Bapi Lahiri da is gold outside. Satadal ji is gold inside.
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So he is
वेरी राइट, वेरी राइट. एकदम सही कहा ललित भाई आपने.
पूरा गोल्ड ही गोल्ड है सर.
सही बात है.
Yes.
Jaideep Parashar, please. Jaideep.
Devi Prasad ji.
Hi, Sadal. First of all, really I'm congratulating you on this wonderful show and your book, Vad. And I'm saying hello to all the IFH members. Literally, I knew Sadal sir for last 1 year, and he's an amazing person. He works very hard and he's so consistent, and we are working together on many things, and we connect regularly. It's a wonderful evening, and I personally thank you for inviting me on the show, and especially thanks to Viram sir. It's an amazing show. You are doing a great job. Thank you very much, sir.
I'd like to say something about Jaideep ji. Like, he's an inspiration. Jaideep Parashar is an inspiration. The way he has come up in his life through a small town, and then, you know, through some very difficult phases of his life. Yes, all that is there in LinkedIn, and he has come up to a position where he's doing wonders from here. You know, इसमें एक जो कहावत आती है ना कि जब जिंदगी एकदम निचले हिस्से पे आ जाए तो hope मत छोड़ दो, because things are going to turn around. Even a worm turns up, and that's what he has done. He has changed the course of his life through his hard work and through his way of thinking. And now he's an inspiration to everybody. At least he's an inspiration to me. Thank you, Jaideep ji, for being here. Thank you for being there always.
Thank you very much. And literally, I want to add one more point, that a good book can change your entire life. When I wrote my book, I did my best. And yesterday, I got a message, Mr. Jaideep, would you like to nominate yourself for the Young Indian Global Nominee Award for 2021? And when I was talking, I said, I'm just 31-year-old. And he said, how you did it? So literally you need just one book to change your entire life, your entire course, and your entire future. It's just one book. So I believe that Vad has this kind of exposure, Vad has this kind of story and every possible ingredient to become a best book. So we need a little bit more push for this book to be a New York Times like global bestseller. Thank you very much.
Before we move on to the next person, Spandan, are you there? Please post in a Google form, and everyone, I request you to please put in your email ID in that form, your contact number.
Yes, sir,
Magnanimous, he wants to send you a gift of his ebook, Vad, to each one of you who are here in this house. To each one of you. You don't have
also we have got, sorry Vikram ji for intervening. Also, I'd like to have a small sort of gift for anybody who writes a review, very good review, you know, 50 worded, maybe around 50 words, some good review about the book in the review section of Amazon. So within a month's time, I can give you the hard copy of any of my books, like whichever you choose. I'll send it to you at your address. So kindly give me a good review that sort of gives me a reflection of my work, and I'll feel proud of it. Vikram ji, please.
Yeah, Spandan, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm preparing it just as a minute.
Yeah. Just please post it in. Yeah. So the minute the link is posted, everybody please fill in your details so that you can receive an ebook. And as Satadal said, whoever writes a beautiful review for this, he will send you a author signed copy of the paperback. So we have SD Car over here. Can you unmute please, SD Car? So
yes,
SD Car is a brilliant fiction writer, and he has written a book, Muffled Screams of Buriganga. And I have reviewed his book on my channel because I was so fascinated by reading his book. So I requested his permission to review that book on my channel, and it's a lovely book. If I am telling that it's a lovely book, there are no two ways about it. I hope Satadal you will agree.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
absolutely. Absolutely. I'd like to add before SD Kar Sab says something. I'd like to second Vikramji. You know, Muffled Screams of Buriganga is a book that you can read end to end without, you know, shifting. And I'm not talking about two settings or sitting ka baat hi nahi ho raha. You will not shift from the place you're sitting. It's such a good book, exhilarating book, wonderfully written, wonderful sentences, wonderful, you know, way he has made the whole plot and subplot. Congratulations, SD Kar, and your question, please.
So, good evening, everyone. Sir, my question is, now you are an established author. I'm just starting new. So I would like to know whether the journey is the same, the struggle is the same, so I can correlate. What are the struggles you had when you started? Because as you know, I've been talking to you a lot. So a struggle for a entry-level author is huge. Okay, I don't know. I was talking to KP. KP, in fact, is my when I talked to him, he is a friend of my wife's. He is a classmate of my wife's. So if I had a mentor like KP, my journey would be little smooth. But I had some struggles in these two books. But if you can give me a few pointers so I can relate that this is not, I'm not going through anything new. Every author goes through this phase.
Mr. Kar, you're a wonderful writer, and you know, not only in authorship, in every journey of life, there are obstacles. Even in your professional or personal life, there are obstacles, of course. There is, ladies and gentlemen, Sondan Ganguly has put the Google form. You can pick it up from the chat box.
Yes, yes. Please, everybody put in the form, and we will have a national anthem in the end. So please don't go away. Please be here. We'll be finishing in 5-10 minutes.
Is this different from the forms we have already filled in?
Yes, yes. This is for claiming your free copy of.
This is for claiming your free copy.
Achha.
So, Mr. Kar, like replying to this, like the main thing is when you don't get support, it's very lonely. You tend to feel that whether I'm writing well or whether I'm not writing well. And when you have written it and you have put it, it does not sell. That is one area of frustration because your good work has to be read by people. So marketing today is very important because every day, as Jaideep Parashar says, like every day 70,000 odd books are coming out in Amazon. So you have to stand out. You have to show people that this is the kind of work that I have done. So marketing plays a big role. So that is one thing that we have to learn from day one, apart from writing, like how to reach out to people. So that is one of the challenges we are learning. We are all learning. We are learning slowly. Vikramji is there to guide. Seniors are there to guide, of course. But we are learning, and we'll reach that stage, of course. We'll reach that stage, and you will, of course, reach that stage because your work is such good work, such excellent work.
Thank you, sir.
I hope everybody, you are claiming your free ebook. Please fill in the form. And now we have Santosh Kumar. Santosh, can you unmute and make your camera on, please? Can you unmute, please, Santosh?
Yeah, hi. Is it audible?
Yeah.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Those who are being here in this small Lit Fest. Thank you, Vikram Khetan sir, Satadal Lahiri sir, and I believe Kedar Panda Babu is there. So I'm completely new to this entire, world of literature. Okay, so along 1 year back only, I enrolled in the course of Som Batla. Okay, so after completing that course, first I called to Mr. Vikram Khetan only because I could not understand. Okay, though I enrolled, how to start writing, where I had to start, where I to end, I could not understand. Okay, then Mr. Khetan Ketan, he suggested first you again and again you go through all the videos. Okay, then I did. Okay, it took me 2 to 3 months to understand this entire thing. After I started writing. Okay, उसके बाद पता नहीं क्यों आगे नहीं बढ़ पाया. ठीक है, 1 महीना फिर से ब्रेक. ठीक है, देन अंदर से एक आवाज नहीं हुई, स्टार्ट किया तो बस कंप्लीट कर. तो धीरे धीरे मैंने कहा, इट टुक मी 6 months ऑफ टाइम. देन लिख तो लिया, मैं तो एक एस्टैब्लिश्ड ऑथर हूँ ही नहीं, तो आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी. सो उसके बाद मैं कैसे एडिट करूँ इसको. ओके, देन वही पता नहीं, दिस इज क्या कहते हैं, कम्युनिटी, द पावर ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. ओके, देन आई कनेक्टेड विद मिस्टर Satadal Lahiri. Okay, and coincidentally Kedar Babu's book was launched that time only. Okay, then I joined Mr. Prashant Nanda, okay, the veteran actor of Odia film industry. He launched that book. Okay, that was a very good. Then that spark came out in me. Then I said, no, I will continue this journey and I will enjoy this. Okay, perhaps this is the second and third, I believe, the book launch festival I am joining virtually. And thank you, Ketan sir, thank you Satadal sir, and KP Babu, you are the source of inspiration since we both are from the same region, Odisha. And yeah, apart from this, coming to today's event, out of Satadal sir, just out of curiosity, just I am asking this question. Okay, Vadh means in English there is a word called assassination. Okay, but if we see in Mahabharata, okay, there are 2 words, okay, for the word death. One is Vadh, another is वीर गति को प्राप्त होना, वीर गति. Okay, so जब जयद्रथ मरता है तो उसको कहते हैं जयद्रथ का वध होता है. जब अभिमन्यु मरता है तो उसको कहते हैं कि अभिमन्यु वीर गति को प्राप्त हुआ. तो वध तो हमने जस्टिफाई कर दिए कि कहने का मतलब यह है कि गांधी का वध हुआ. गांधी तो मर गए लेकिन गांधीवाद कभी मरा नहीं. ओके, सो इंसान मरता है लेकिन उसके अंदर जो आइडियोलॉजी वो कभी मरता नहीं है. ओके, तो सेम आपने तो उसी कैरेक्टर में ढाल के एक बहुत सुंदर किताब आपने दुनिया को पेश किया है. तो अगला प्रोजेक्ट ऐसा कुछ है कि वीर गति को प्राप्त, उस रिलेटेड कुछ
Santosh ji, this is a very this is a very what do you call it, typical question that I have always come across. Like वीर गति को प्राप्त होना, वध होना, कत्ल होना, ये सारे कुछ क्या होता है कि people are confused with. तो जनरली क्या होता है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वध बिकॉज वध टेक्स लाइक वीर गति अगर आप बोलेंगे तो वी ट्राई टू एसोसिएट इट विद समबडी फेमस. जो आदमी उतना फेमस नहीं होता उसको वीरगति को प्राप्त हो गया हम नहीं बोलेंगे. तो इट हैज टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद समबडी हु इज फेमस, समबडी हु इज रिनोन्ड. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग लाइक यू एंड मी, वी हैव टू बी यू हैव टू चूज द वर्ड्स. हम लोगों का कत्ल ही होता है, हम लोग का वध होते हैं ना, हम लोग का वीरगति होता है. सो ट्राइंग टू लुक एट दिस विद द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ अस ह्यूमंस, of the से आम आदमी के इससे देखने से लगता है कि हमारा भी वध होता है, हमारे अरमानों का, विश्वासों का, ये सब चीज का वध होता है. तो उसको उठा के हमने डाला है. नेक्स्ट जो किताब हम लिख रहे हैं, सोनम मलिक है ना, तो सोनम मलिक रहेगा साथ में. दैट इज कॉल्ड शौर्या. शौर्या you keep on associating with the soldiers, but Shaurya, as KP was saying, Shaurya every day we face. Like you are facing in your writing journey, you are getting stuck. Then the Shaurya came out in you to overstep out of those hurdles. So those Shauryas are also important. वो अगर नहीं रहेगा तो आदमी जिंदगी में cripple बन जाएगा. It is same as getting killed in the borders. So nobody talks about that. So let us talk about that in our next book. So that's what we are trying to bring up. Thank you for asking.
Also, वीरगति जो है वो किसी बड़े आदमी का वीरगति ही नहीं होता है. एक सोल्जर भी है, एक बिना रैंक का सोल्जर भी है, अगर वो देश के लिए सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है, राष्ट्र के लिए सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है, तो वो भी वीरगति है, वो भी पूजनीय है.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली विक्रम।
थोड़ा सा मैं भी ऐड ऑन कर सकता हूँ 1-2 लाइनों में।
हाँ प्लीज सर।
एक्चुअली जो मेरा जितनी मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि आप वध का टर्म जो जहां जहां यूज हुआ, जैसे संतोष जी ने पूछा कि जब भी हम किसी अच्छे मोटिव के लिए हमने किसी इविल को या किसी गलत आदमी को हमने मर्डर किया है, असैसिनेशन किया है, देन इट वाज कॉल्ड वध। वीर गति तो जो आपने कहा कि सिपाही भी वीर गति को प्राप्त होता है, किसी अच्छे कॉज के लिए जब आप मरते हैं, अच्छे काम करते हुए मरते हैं, तो वो वीर गति कहलाता है। और जब बुरे काम करते हुए कोई अच्छा काम कर रहा आदमी आपको मारता है, वो वध कहलाता है, जितना मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट कहता है उसके हिसाब से।
सही बात है अभिषेक जी, बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही बोले आप। विक्रम जी प्लीज।
या सीमा जी आप बोलिए।
Hello, good evening to everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah, very much.
Yes, sir. How is everyone? I'm just.
कैमरा ओपन कर लीजिए प्लीज।
सर कैमरा मेरा थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, क्या आवाज से काम चलेगा?
चलेगा।
नहीं सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा। और सर का ये बुक लॉन्च है एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। मैं शुरू से देख रही हूँ, इसमें मोर देन 50% आई कुड सी कि इसके अंदर थे और काफी अच्छा रहा बुक लॉन्च। सतदल सर के साथ एक चीज जो कॉमन रही है, बुक लॉन्च इवेंट्स जो हमने सीखे। ये हमारी जर्नी शुरू हुई जब पब्लिकॉन 2 चल रहा था, तब सर के साथ हम लोग संपर्क में आए और तब हमने देखा कि बुक लॉन्च और इस तरह के इवेंट सर के साथ ही हमने सब सीखा और लर्निंग किया। ही हैज बीन वेरी ग्रेट मेंटर एंड सपोर्ट ऑलवेज, और ही इज अ ग्रेट राइटर, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट। और काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला। एक सर की बात बहुत अच्छी लगी, पब्लिकॉन के टाइम भी बताती हूँ मैं उसमें, कि किसी को कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है, सर सबसे पहले उसका आंसर देते थे। तो इतना सपोर्ट, मतलब एक फादरली फिगर की तरह वो हमेशा टीम के हेड रहे। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सबके लिए सोचा और सबको एनकरेज किया। ये बहुत एक मतलब पर्सनालिटी वाइज उनका एक बहुत पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट मुझे लगा। इट इज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग फॉर एवरीबडी। दूसरा ये है कि सर की बुक्स नो डाउट राइटिंग बहुत अच्छी है, और उसको पढ़ने के लिए मैंने स्पेशली सर से समय मांगा था कि सर मैं एकदम से रिव्यू नहीं डाल सकती, मुझे आपकी बुक को पढ़ने के लिए बड़ा फुल समय चाहिए, ताकि मैं उसको अच्छे से ग्रास्प करूं, पढूं। तो मैंने उनकी लगभग सभी किताबें पढ़ी हैं, जितनी AFH के दौरान जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया उन्होंने पब्लिश की, ऑल बुक्स आई हैव रेड। तो ईच एंड एवरी बुक इटसेल्फ इज अ मास्टरपीस, आई मस्ट से। और मैनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू सर एंड विक्रम सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस इवेंट, और मुझे इनवाइट किया आप लोगों ने। एंड बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सबको दोबारा एक बार इस इवेंट के थ्रू दोबारा देख के, नाम सुन के। बहुत दिन से एक्टिविटीज थोड़ी सी AFH में भी स्लो है, कम है, तो सर का एक सडनली ये वध वाला जो आया हालांकि वध जैसे त्रिपाठी सर ने बोला, वध का शब्द का मतलब हर कोई अलग अलग लेता है, लेकिन हाँ कुछ वध ऐसे होते हैं जो दिखाई नहीं देते, इमोशनल वध होते हैं। असैसिनेशन ऐसे भी होते हैं जो किसी को दिखाई नहीं देते, इंसान जीता जागता दिखाई देता है लेकिन वो अंदर कहीं ना कहीं मर जाता है। तो अच्छा है सर, टॉपिक बहुत ही सेंसिटिव टॉपिक पे आपने लिखा, और ऐसा ही कोई बहुत ही इंटेलेक्चुअल व्यक्ति ही इसको लिख सकता है, आम आदमी के बस की बात नहीं है। तो इतनी अच्छी बुक देने के लिए सोसाइटी को और सभी हम जैसे न्यू ऑथर्स को, it's very inspiring and thanks a lot sir. Thank you Satadal ji and thank you Vikram sir and thank you everybody. Have a nice day.
Thank you सीमा जी। सीमा जी के बारे में 2 शब्द कहूंगा कि she is a very good writer, she is also a very good poet and she is a very good singer. तो अगर कैमरा उनका ऑन नहीं भी हो रहा है, तो एक गाना है ना, मेरी आवाज ही मेरी पहचान है, so उनकी आवाज ही उनकी पहचान है। Thank you सीमा जी for being there.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you
all
so
your
much.
support, and we enjoyed our time during Publicon. We enjoyed every moment, though we could not win. Winning and losing तो चलते रहता है, but then जो relationship बने थे, जो friendship बने थे, वो हमेशा बरकरार रहेगा। Thank you for that.
Of course sir. Thank you.
Now we have Deepa Hariharan. Deepa ji, please.
Hello everybody. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So first thing, I would like to second with what Seema ji said, because I met personally Satadal sir during Publicon 2, and he was a great mentor. for an debut author, for an aspiring author, whatever questions which crop up in the mind of an author, whether it is fear, whether it is, why, what to write, how to write, where you get stuck up, the writer's block aspects, everything, along with Som sir, Satyadal sir has been a second mentor to us in our team. So whenever I had any questions regarding my book, and I was also writing historical fiction novel at that time, so all that research aspects and the way we are, supposed to write, and the consistency mainly. So in the team, building a consistency is something that a leader plays a very important role. So bringing everybody to write, and maintaining a consistency, and helping everybody in our team. Everybody. Yes.
Yes.
Please continue. Please continue.
Yeah. So bringing everybody together, keeping, whether it is by keeping book launch events, whether it is by keeping team meetings, whether it is by keeping a group meeting. A leader, a motivational leader is needed for every person who is there in the team. So Satyadal sir was an exceptional leader for us, and he helped us, mentor all of us, not only me, but everybody in our team. We are all indebted to Satyadal sir because he has been an exceptionally great mentor. And yes, all of us published our books during this Publiton too in our team. I think we were majorly, everybody of us published our book in our team. So yes, the credit of that goes to Satyadal sir. And I have, even in my book, in my foreword, I have specifically mentioned Satyadal sir's name as a mentor for helping all of us to write our books. So that mentorship that we received, we are really blessed. And regarding Vad, I have just started reading the book, and it is so beautifully intertwined, all the events. You just go deep into the book, and then yes, of course, you need time to read the book, because it is, once you go inside the book, you will not come out so soon. So you basically go deep dive into the book, and you are a part of that character. So that is what I would like to say. This has been my experience personally. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Deepaji.
Thank you, Deepaji. I'd like to say 2 words about Deepaji. Today, she has just taken vaccine in the morning, the second dose. How are you feeling? I hope you are feeling well. Okay.
Yes, I am feeling well, but I just got up, so I just joined around 8 o'clock. I couldn't join at 6:30.
Okay, then I'd request you to take some medicines or relax probably tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
And she's a very hard worker. She won an award also of being the best company CA, and she's a hard worker because she's already started. Yes, she has already started her second novel, and she has written on a very difficult topic. She has written about in history, like women, like in the history, in the world history, you will find women very categorically eradicated from the history books. We know about Rani Lakshmi Bai only from a 7th standard Hindi poem, not much from the history books. The narratives have gone. Some narratives are there, but very few. And these are the people who do the research and who come out with the facts about the women in history. And like history, if you talk about Ramayana, I call it history. You can call it mythology. There are certain characters like Urmila and all that whom we don't know much about. Deepa has brought that out very well. Please reach out to read her book, Princess to Recall. Wonderful book, wonderfully written. You won't feel that it is from a debut writer. And thank you, Deepa, to be in our group. And of course, it's not only me. Everybody, Sanjay Kapoor is there. You yourself, Simaji. We all drove the group together, and we became a very good, unit. Thank you for that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Geet. Thank you, Deepaji. So now we come to the close of this event, and I will probably ask one last question to Satyadal before he goes. And thereafter, please join us for the national anthem. It is a specific request from Satyadal to please play the national anthem. And while we play the national anthem, I request you can switch off your camera, but you can unmute your mic and sing along if possible. So let this anthem rock and let it go out into the world that yes.
Sir, can I say a few words, please?
Yeah, please.
I am Sanjay Kapoor. I was in the Publicathon 2 team of Satadalji. I was one of those, and he is right. Deepa ma'am is absolutely right when she says that he is a terrific mentor, a guide, and he's an encyclopedia that answers all our questions. So that is about Satadalji. उनके बारे में जितना तारीफ करो कम है, because such individuals are rare who have so much knowledge and patience with people. So for that I say thank you to him, and I'm lucky to have made his acquaintance in my life. And second thing is that Praveen Vyas ji ने अपना बहुत अच्छा एक anecdote सुनाया था कि बचपन में उनको स्कूल में कहा जाता था कि you are good for nothing and you won't be able to do anything and this and that and all that. If those who have been watching this program from the beginning will remember, तो प्रवीण व्यास जी को मैं इतना कहना चाहता हूँ, वो कह रहे हैं कि मेरा वध कर दिया था, उन्होंने वो नहीं कर पाए, वो कर नहीं पाए. That speaks very highly of Praveen Vyas ji and his character, his strength of character, that he overcame those things. And just imagine the quality of teachers and principal who tell a student you are good for nothing. If he is good for nothing, make him something, otherwise what are teachers for? And that is a comment on our poor, pathetic educational system also. So that's.
Thank you, Sanjay ji. So as you rightly said that we were seeds and they buried us deep down into the ground and we grew. So on that note, I request everybody to please take your time to fill in the form, claim your free ebook, and now we are going to start the national anthem. You may switch off your camera, but please unmute your mic and sing along. Thank you, everyone. And with this, we close this event for today. Thank you for being with us and singing the national anthem.
Thank you.
I'm going to put it on to.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you all.
Everybody to join.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Wishing success.
Congratulations, Satadal sir.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations,
Thank
Satadal sir.
Wonderful launch.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikram.
Wishing you
you. Thank
success.
you, Vikram ji, especially. Thank
Yeah.
you, Vikram ji. You have been a wonderful host.
Yeah, thanks to all of you. Thank you, sir.
At par with you.
Thanks everyone. Thanks Jed. Thanks Jay and Viru for wonderful evening. Bye-bye.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.